Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. This is Raja. In this video, we are going to look at the Tesla stock weekly update. I am doing the weekly update for many weeks now. This stock is no strangers to me because I'm watching this stock for more than a year now. So this stock is now almost posting 325% gain since it's added to the tracker in the middle of March. So it's rallied almost like 450% or so before it came down. So my objective for this video is give you as actionable information as possible in a short span of time. So I like to limit my videos in 5 minutes. So let's get started right away. And before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. All the informations are recorded and out there, so you can refer it whenever you want. Please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there, and we like to see you guys as a part of the conversation. And please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this stock and many stocks in coming days, so you can catch it up. So before we get started, let's do the level set as always. This stock is now added to the tracker back in 323 when it was trading around $86.86, which is a split adjusted price, and the minimum entry price was $86.86 and the maximum entry price was $91.20, and the stop loss was $79.91. The stop loss is your risk price. So you may want to close the position whenever the stock price is below this price level, but this stock was never in danger because it's always not traded above this line or never closed below that price point. So along the way, if you come down to a little bit the tracker table, there is a multiple secondary entry point that we call after the primary entry point. So it offered one on the May 5th and one on the June 8th and one on the July 1st and another one on the August 13th. That was the last one before the split, which was around $1,500. And as of September 10th, it offered another entry point anywhere between 366.28 to 384.59. I did the video on the day it now posted this price point around September 10th, so you can watch that video. So let's look at the chart and see what went on this week and why this is still a secondary entry point, and we can look at a couple of calls for this guy as we are bullish on this stock. So let's switch to the chart real quick. So you guys are looking at the weekly settings for Tesla. I like the weekly settings because it eliminates a lot of daily noise and give you some kind of short-term trend for anywhere if you want to trade anywhere between a week to 3 weeks to 6 months. So the two indicators that I follow is the 10-week moving average and 50-week moving average. I like to keep my technical very simple and stupid, sometimes super simple and super stupid. Okay, so it added to the tracker back in 323 when it was not touched its 50-week moving average after a great run the last year. Then it offered another entry point over here when it's regained its 10-week moving average, and one more here when it did the quick consolidation and cleared up. Then it found support at its 10-week moving average again, so that's when it's another entry point it given. And the last one before the split was after failing during the earnings, it consolidated for a few weeks, then it found support before the split. Then it rallied up really nicely, and after the split it came under pressure. So far now the stock almost rallied 450% since it's added to the tracker on 323. So it's a monster run, and if you happen to have a call contract, you would have been a millionaire by this time. So this stock came down under the pressure here, and the last week it's again sold off really badly and found support at its 10-week moving average and closed almost upper part of the week. So I believe that is the reason this one is now still a buy. So the buying price would be as I said, is around 360 to 380. So that is the range you are looking at. So this stock is now still trading within that zone. So let's see how things plays out in coming weeks. But I'm bullish on this stock. So as we are a little bit bullish on this one, so let's look at a couple of calls for this guy. I still go with the October call as I suggested in my previous video. That is what now I'm looking at. It's 400 call, 400 for November. Do not look at October or September calls. The times are so quick. If you want to gamble, that is fine. But if you're looking for a decent price gains within a decent time frame, look at the October 400 call. It was almost like $100 or so like on the day, but it came down quite a bit during the crash. So it came down almost like it's lost like a 50% or 60% on the day, and it was trading as much as like around $39 before it came down a little bit. So when I was putting my original video, it was trading around $49. So it's 51 right now. So it might cool off a little bit, but that is a price range you're looking at. So if I were you, I'll be looking at the November 2400 call. That's reasonable to me. And if you want to play gambling, you can go for September or you can go for October. I don't even believe that the October calls are any more attractive anymore, and they may not recover because they have no time decays kicking in. So if I would recommend that November 400 call at this time. Okay guys, as I promised, thank you for watching this quick video. So Tesla is a buy after a long time. So let's see how things plays out in coming weeks. As always, I'll put this tracker link in the description section of the video, so you can refer it whenever you want. It will get updated at the end of the day with the stock closing price. And please check out all our social media site, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. I'd love to see you guys as a subscriber. I'll be doing videos on this stock and many stocks in coming days, so you can catch it up. So I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. Until then, have a great weekend.